I just knew there was going to be some depth, and I was after some depth and a new depth with the Lord.
I was really excited because I wanted to be in fellowship with people that are worshipers. That what really motivated me. I was excited about coming and worshiping on the mountains. You know, that was exciting to me, and just being here.
I see the King of Glory coming on clouds with fire. Whole earth shakes, whole earth shakes.
I came here to know what God wants of me. And He has a lot of word to me that I go to Puerto Rico blessing. I am blessed. I've been blessed by God to be here.
I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I just wanted an encounter with God, a bigger one than I've ever had.
Presence of God, and it was just wonderful. It was just wonderful. So much freedom.
We showed up and God was already here waiting for us.
It's something that's felt, not really, it's hard to put words to it because you feel it so deeply.
Oh my God, it was amazing. With the community, corporate coming together, the community we did together was so powerful. It was so powerful. I just think that Jesus was really here. God was here waiting on us to give ourselves to Him. And we did that. We did that everywhere we went, not just, in the chalet, but we also did it, out when we went to eat. It was, God was with us. We felt the presence of God with us everywhere we went.
I can't imagine a word to describe what a worship is. So it's so amazing. And I can describe the emotions that I have right now.
Let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, He is my song.
When I am alone in my room, I need to remember everything that we have in here.
Definitely new depth. And 5 new friends. You just can't to go through something like this and not take something home from each one. I feel things were prayed over me and prayed into me and released out of me. I was also able to pour into people. It was a depth I haven't done yet, actually. I don't think I've been that deep with other women praying for them of the Spirit. My spiritual language is something I've fought for a lot, and it's really coming out, and to really feel like I'm using it now, and that was been really awesome too. You take a little bit of everybody home, and then I have all of your gifts and things you released into me to take back and to overflow with others, because that's what we're after, the overflow, and I feel like I could go overflow now. Double thumbs up.
Definitely, I think that you should come. I really do, because it's nowhere you can go where you can experience this much freedom. There was no rules. There was no real agenda. We just did whatever the Holy Spirit told us to do.
Just come. It'll be worth it. I promise.
Wow. If you don't come, you really missed it. You missed the blessing of God. You missed the presence of the Spirit. The Holy Spirit the presence is so intense. So I can describe what you feel. But I never feel or felt what I feel right now. And I was outstanding. I don't know how to say that more than
Esperándote, nuestras manos alzamos al Rey.
You take what you get here and you use it in your life and in your ministry, and it becomes part of who you are now, and you take it and you go on with it.